Mike Thompson, our concrete contractor, and his crew begin laying out the forms for the drive in the newly excavated area.
Awesome. Dig that out and form it.
And this is a little more complicated than just some stakes and a few 1x4s. Well, I finally made the decision on what pavers we're going to use for the patio out back, and the pavers will also be used for decorative borders going around the driveway, as well as kind of breaking up the expanse a little bit. But I tell you, when you're using something like this in a large slab like this, it takes a lot of forming. Here's the guy that's going to take care of it. Now, Mike, this is going to be the paver, and of course you're going around the perimeter with it. I know you're digging the footing for it now, but you also have all of these like spokes in a wheel that you're putting in throughout the slab. How will you actually form that so that you can pour the concrete and then we can put these in later?
Well, we're just gonna cut our boards, just rip our boards so that they allow enough room to put some sort of a sand or something to that effect underneath the paver. And the concrete can just flow right under that board. And so the top of it will be the concrete and the bottom of it will be our footing, and then they'll come back and put these in.
So basically around the perimeter and then all of the areas in the middle, they're like little troughs.
That's right, that's right.
So you're having to pour the concrete and then it goes down.
And it'll go in underneath that board.
And that's going to take you a while then, because there's a lot of,
there's a lot of work there.
There's a lot of pieces like that.
There's a lot of work there, yes,
and then of course later on, instead of mortaring these, the paver guys are just going to set them in locking sand, which I thought was pretty good, because you always see when they have these mortared in, they always break out.
That's right. So when the concrete moves, that moves and gives a little bit, and then you don't see the cracks.
Right, I got you. Okay, all right. Well, you got a lot of work to do here and everything. It looks like the weather's not cooperating.
Yeah, it's not cooperating at all, but we'll make it work. It's Mobile.
Yeah, that's true. It is going to rain just about every other day. But anyway, good luck on everything. We look forward to seeing the concrete, especially the dyed concrete that you're putting in.
That's right.
That's going to look great.
Thanks.